Oh, welcome back. Hope you can see alright. The camera's having a bit of trouble to throw the camera onto the stand. I'm in the middle of a field. Actually, I'm in the middle of a cricket pitch. Just let me double check that actually. Wait a minute, nothing out here. Just double check because you never know. Yeah, you might see this film before or after I've done two films. One of the one I'm doing now. Yeah, it's fine. That's all locked up. Yeah, so I'm at a cricket club. I'm not telling you which one. It's one of the cricket clubs I do. Got some problems with some machines there and that. So I've been here. I don't think you can see the sweat. I'm just absolutely ringing. So this is 27 according to the van. I've just got to jump out and lock this gate. Just got to jump out, lock the gate. It's a hell of a deal. I hope everybody holds. If you don't see me anywhere when you start moving, you know what's happened. Oh, it's better. Right, we're back in. Right, that's all the containers locked with the machines in, the gate locked. I've just remembered I've got to give him a ring, so I'll be back in a second. Oh, right. Right, I've just phoned him. Right, I'm going to head home because yesterday, that's when Sunday yesterday, and that's when everybody was live. Yeah, everybody was live, and I missed it because I was setting up a swimming pool. This is a bit of a bastard to get out of, especially when you've got the track parked opposite. Alright, so anyway, yeah, I was setting up a swimming pool. So my thinking is, I thought I'd lift something, a strimmer there from another cousin. So my thinking is, I might go and sit in it. Yeah. Oh, what a game. I wasn't expecting to do that yesterday. I was all lined up to watch the four of them on the live. I think it was Mick, Martin, Roy and Luke. All on it yesterday live, and I said to my missus, I said, don't let me forget, 2 o'clock they're going live, blah 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 blah, and I was fiddling with this pool, and Jordan and Charlie come over, and then I said to her, don't forget they're coming on live at 2 o'clock, I bet I've missed a bit of it already, haven't I? And she said, well, it's 3:30. And I thought, well, I'm not going to be funny, but I'm not going to look now, because even if they are still on there, well, I think they will. I think they're on there for a couple of hours. Yeah, I've missed so much that trying to catch up would be like impossible. So when I get a chance, I've got a couple of hours spare. I'll watch it, see what they've done. I bet there was quite a laugh though. And yeah, so I sort of missed that. But I've got a swimming pool now instead. And Heidi bought it. I think it's 10 foot, it's not, it's 12 foot. And as you know, I live on a hill. Swimming pools are not good on hills. So I'm probably the only one with a deep end and a shallow end. But yeah. But I've got to ring Rusty later to find out about going out, meeting up. So I shall be doing that. I know he's got other things on, a lot more important things than meeting up with me at the moment. It's none of my business and none of our business. It's private stuff going on, so it's all good. Yeah, so like I don't know if you can see, I'm absolutely bloody picked. Get out of the way. Yeah, I'm absolutely ringing. I don't know if you can see it, but I am absolutely ringing. I'm soaked. Oh, it's only 26 now, but considering where I was, it was really, really windy. There's no air. It's been stormy the last few days. Just move over this tractor. So he's not going to get past. So he might. Don't know if you see that. I doubt it. Yeah, I normally put it out the front window door, but I thought to have it changed. And just like I say, just have a little chat on the way home. But, and I will say, I say on the way home, doesn't it sound bad? Oh, I've had such a long day today. It's nearly 20 past 12. But I've got a couple of real shit days coming up. I'm going to be flat out on, and then I am I've got other things I've got to do, so but I'm planning on having like a day. Well, tomorrow is a shit day, and then if I can I'm gonna what am I gonna do? Yeah, get it all done tomorrow rather than that's where over. And then I'm going to have Thursday, Friday to myself, and we'll be in a workshop and we'll be doing videos. Yeah, because you would have seen a few videos now coming up with Braintree and what I've done there with Braintree. Oh my god, there's a bloody woman in the middle of the road. I wish I'd put the camera away. So you give me a day, look. Oh, she actually smiled at me in. Middle of the road to dog. Yeah, I've actually got a bit of footage of Braintree going on now, and I'd like to go there and just finish it off. And then after that will be that's what I've been putting up on a Friday. So after this one I'm filming hopefully this week. Could even do it this afternoon actually. After I've done that, we'll be finished then, we'll be done to mini motos. Yeah, does that make sense? I don't know, let's have a little pause, shall we? Right, I'm home now. Yeah, and as I was saying a minute ago, I've got the mini moto stuff to still come, some of the mini moto stuff comes, still doing bits and pieces there on them. And then that's what I'm going to cover on the Fridays. Going on Fridays, and then on the Sunday it's going to be more motor stuff. So I've got more motor stuff coming up on Sundays. That's my plan for on Sundays. I might put the odd one in the week, and then hopefully next week I'm doing some videos on some different stuff in the workshop. Nothing exciting, and I'll start putting them on as well. Yeah, like I say, I'm waiting. I've got to get in touch with Rusty. I'm going to give him a text in a minute, see how everything's going. Everything's okay. And then hopefully we can meet up very, very soon, and we'll be filming some different stuff. But, I'm still putting the most stuff on. I think people think that I'm not putting it on, but I am putting it on. The competition, by the way, why do I bother? I don't know. A few of you answered. Some people just like Rusty just put good luck everyone, didn't actually put the thing in. But at least they commented. But 2 right answers was fair enough. I expected that. I actually, if nobody got it in the right order, then I'd have put everybody in it. I'll totally honest, because 2 people got the right answer, it's only fair. that I'd do it the way I said I'd do it. And yeah, the bit come, the strippers come Thursday, and I sent them for. That was Wednesday when we did the thing, Wednesday night, the 17th, and then Thursday they come. Friday I sent them a Mick got them Saturday. Yeah, so that was all done. But we'll do another competition when we get to 1,000. I'm trying to find a prize what it's worth doing, but then again, people have got to enter. And then it was quite funny because as soon as that went up, that we, you know, the winner, free subscribers immediately disappeared. They only obviously come for the competition. Was fair enough. I don't blame them. But it just makes me laugh. Makes me wonder if it's worth doing another competition. To be honest with you, you know, because it is for everybody, you know. And yeah, but if it's, I don't know if it's a waste of time or not. I don't know. But it, you know, it's a way of putting something back to you lot for watching. You know, that's why I look at it. Maybe the question was too hard for people. I know somebody commented and said they'd only just subscribed, so they thought it wasn't fair that they commented. No, it was. If you'd subscribed to me, then you could have entered. You know, I did say, as long as you subscribe to me, I don't care. But yeah, but anyway, so that was a bit of a flop, really. It was disappointing, but it's better than the competition I did before. I think it was 520. We did a competition or something like that, and nobody even put a comment on it. And I ended up deleting it because nobody commented on it, and it was terrible. This time I thought people would do it, but that's up to them, isn't it? It's up to them. I don't care. If you want to see a video talking about comments and stuff like that, nip over to Retro Restore after this and look at the I think it's called suspension repair after hitting a pothole 2 or part 2 or something. You'll still find it, and Martin's got some good comments there about people commenting on these videos, and it makes it it's very, very true. For people who've been in that situation, you'll find it's very, very true, the stupid comments we get. But yeah, I just want to have a bit. I like to have a bit of a laugh on my comments as well. You know, you'll find funny little comments from like Mick and Rusty and that. They've all put little comments in, and it's worth reading them sometimes because they are funny. But yeah, so check out the comments. Don't forget to put a comment on. You know, like I say, I'm not going to bite anybody's head off if we put something wrong in there now. We're getting to the point where we don't care. You know, I won't always comment back on a comment. I might put a thumbs up or something. At least it's a really, really stupid comment saying something stupid. Then I just close up my head. Anyway, this is rambling now, so that's no good. I will see you next time. If you like this sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up. Definitely give it a thumbs up because it would help me. And you know, you usually don't like it, still give it a thumbs up just for the hell of it. It will help the channel. Yeah, and oh, that's another thing I've got to do. I've got to get the eBay stuff sorted, so I've got to do that this afternoon. Right, like I say, I'm off. See you later. Have fun. All the rest of it. Bye for now.